In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your photograph on your profile on LinkedIn. So here we are on the home page. You can access your profile by clicking on the photo or your name on the left hand side, or clicking on the Me menu and then clicking on View Profile. When you arrive at your profile, this is the photo that you want to be replacing. So all you do is you click on it and you will see it will ask you to add a photo, and you have the opportunity of putting frames around it. When you click on add a photo, then click on upload photo, find the photograph on your computer, access it and click save, and the photo on your profile will be updated. If you don't see it straight away, just refresh your page and you should see it then. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos on the playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.